Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. As I've mentioned before, I'm kind of going over some of my old characters and kind of giving them a facelift. And I didn't really know what to doodle because I need some backlog for an upcoming wedding, which I'm very excited for, and I'm definitely not gonna have any time to do Sketchbook Sunday, and I just basically need a backlog before next weekend hits, or else I'm either gonna have a really bad time or the video is gonna be late. So we're choosing the smart option. So I didn't know what to doodle, and I decided to just revamp one, and I chose Sylvia because she used to be one of my favorites, but I don't know, something about her design just felt weird to me, so I just kind of picked her back up and fixed it. And I think what really helped was I just made her whole head white, because before she just had a white type of circle around her face, and that looks weird, so I changed that. And she had a flower marking on her forehead, and instead of putting it on her forehead, I just kind of moved it to her arm, so it'd be more like a loose flower slash petal tattoo, I guess. And she's kind of an herb collector. She likes plants and stuff, so I gave her a bundle of that's kind of it's kind of sage but not really. So yeah, every time I do one of these, I'm always super excited to do everyone else, so maybe next week I'll do another one, or maybe I'll do a more detailed reference sheet of them, because I don't know. Oh, look at all these ideas that I'm throwing out there. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I didn't want to leave the background white, so I just kind of threw a happy yellow in there, and then by overlaying colors, it just kind of turned into a peachy. And I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this image. I like the colors and stuff. Although her outfit might change because it doesn't really suit the rest of the universe, I guess. I just kind of took what was already there and redrew it, sort of. But yeah, I'll just leave you guys to the music, which I decided to change because I was bored of the old one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.